Now it's time to add our next section, right? So it will be a change. So a change in the sections. So I will be keep enough spacing here, same width and specific height. So we need to give some changes here. Yes, and just make it a round up like 700. So we can adjust all the elements with a proper spacing. So it should not be like look like messy. Yeah, so here we can things here. So change is that. So after this rectangle, need to give a little bit change in this background, a little bit lighter, but dark. What about this? How about this? We can just take this just fine. So we can say, we what's about this at 1250. So 1250. So place it here in center. Yes, and then now fine. So now we want some more rectangles because it's all about rectangles. 200 again 45. Some corners to 10. There's a spacing. Okay, right here. And change this fill to this beautiful one. How about to the white? And we can just give a effect here of inner shadow right here. Perfectly all right. So now we can add text here. Uh, benefits to 30. Okay. Okay, good. This and just want to add here this outer frame. Some effect, drop shadow, yes, and this. Actually, should y to 0 and exactly 4. Okay, now fine. All right, so coming back to this section, so we need some give information, right, so about this travel side benefits, right? Okay, so first thing is will be main focus here. A rectangle, again a rectangle, we need some more rectangles, some bigger rectangles. So 400 by 300 or 250 will be fine, I think. Yes, 250 is fine. Some round corners about 10. Fill to white, we need white. White is a favorite. And effect should be here. Yes, we need some effect of drop shadow, but 2 by 2, not much more by 4. 4 is just too much. So 2 by 2, duplicate this 4 frames by 3 times more. So 1, 2, and 3, and this is the fourth one, right? So change, we need to change these kind of things right here. Okay, place here one of them. Just make it here. Okay, sorry. Okay, fine. And change this with not for 200 by 250, or just same 200. Fine. And this should be like much more here. Or actually, you can delete this and duplicate this. Flip vertically and horizontally. Then increase the width to 300 and just set it here. And if you want, if I think I guess increase to 300, uh, and 400 would be fine as same. So our time is being reduced much more here, but I guess it isn't looking nice. Back to the first one. Guess increase the width 300. uh, and we want just one more. So a main focus, we can place it here and increase to 450 and 300, 250. It's all about heat and dry, right? So what we want here is the text that shows we are there to take care of every single thing. We are there for everything. We are there to take care at every step. A main step is our steps. So at every step. So at every step? Yes, every steps. Fine. So change it. Here's some information. And we can add an image here. Image. This image will be fun here because nobody there. They also, so this company subs and this does it as well. So the company takes care. So image size is 400 and this is I will place it here. 100 by, let's check 100 by 100. 80, about 80. Okay, we can go for 200 and 180. Yes. Need some round corners as well of 10, 8. No, 8. Perfectly, just here, fine. And we can add this, okay, this thing here. Mhm. 280. Hmm. Fine. Okay. That's fine. Oh, we can do it. This alignment things are very problematic. Okay, fine. So it's look fine. Second thing we can place. All right. Just copy this text, bring it front, change the text. We can write okay, travel with peace of mind, knowing that we are always, oh, sorry, is here, here. Sorry, we don't need here. Actually, and this can be a little light and small as 20. Okay. I guess we don't need something. Some numbers. Need some numbers. Not here, not here, baby. Okay. 0, 1. Yes, that's what I do. We can change to 40 medium. Weather. It's the beaches. Bali. Or historic place in Rome. What else we can add? We can add historic place in Rome. One more place names. Rome, and we have to add a desert. Or or the Royal Inn. Royalty. I guess spelling is mistake. Of Abu Dhabi. No, I guess I'm not getting anything here. 2. Okay. Should keep them some space here. Can I add something more? Okay, fine. I want to circle you. So you drop the plan. So duplicate this, bring it here, and back to 3. Okay, fine. And this is the fourth section is being clear up. Okay, just okay now first.